Okay, what's in our fridge? So, from the top, sausages. I think you'd call them links. I've got unsalted butter at the back, sliced roast chicken breast, half a tomato left over from lunch, bacon. Oh shush! Diz thinks it's now time for him to have something to eat. A little bit of leftover pineapple, some boursin, which is soft cream. That's the cheese box. Oh, that's my embarrassment. A couple of Betty Crocker ready-made icing. Not garlic, gherkin relish. Lemon. God dear, I'm having trouble identifying things now. A bit more unsalted butter at the back and some half-fat processed cheese, of which there is some more down there. Blame your mother. Parmesan. Again, cholesterol reducing drinks. Some generic pasta sauce, which I think has been in there a while. Pate. Again, something I'm not too keen on, mango chutney. Horseradish sauce, lovely jubbly. Again, cholesterol reducing yogurts. Strawberries, Mum and Dad's embarrassing stack of chocolatey, biscuity type things. Mia's cat food. Mit poultry. What's that? Oh, tomato sauce. My fizzy water. My squash. Oh yeah, so this is what I mean by squash. High juice orange squash. Dilute it with water, it's a drink. Baked beans. A very familiar thing here on almost every children's menu. HP sauce, also known as brown sauce, goes especially well with things like eggs and bacon. In fact, I don't have tomato sauce so much. Light mayonnaise, filtered water. Shush! Diz thinking he's getting something. The milk that Mum and I drink, and somewhere towards the back I guess will be the milk that Dad drinks. No? Oh, homemade jam from one of my children. Cherry good? Yes, I am. Cherry juice that my mum's drinking to help her sleep at the moment doesn't seem to be working. Tropicana, another recognisable brand name. What's this? Oh. Sliced beetroot. Salad cream, which I think is also another British phenomenon. Oh, sweet chilli dipping sauce there. Hang on. Ooh. Not doing very well here. Here we go. Heinz salad cream. I do not like it. Should be banned in my mind, but my parents still eat it. Here we go. There's my dad's milk. We have 0.1% fat, and he has 2% fat, which is semi-skimmed and skimmed. A couple of my parents' drinkies. More beetroot, Branston pickle. Oh, sorry, that's a timer. Barbecue sauce, that's mine. Squirty cream, which is not. Mint sauce for lamb and potatoes. Light French dressing. Patek's curry paste, again, that's not something I tend to use myself, but seafood sauce for prawns. Hamburger relish, which I don't think we've used since it was opened, so maybe we should bin that. Tartar sauce to go with fish. Marmite. French mustard, it's unusual actually, we haven't got any English mustard. And then spreadable butter and olive oil spread. And that's the fridge.